everyone. Here we go.
Heli 1, maintain a cruising altitude, heading 70 degrees east.
Roger, we're on our way. We're headed toward a biodiversity hotspot. That's a place with a high percentage of plant and animal life found almost nowhere else on Earth. And it's just a few minutes from the cube, in those hills straight ahead of us. This is the Irvine Ranch Natural Landmarks, nearly 63 square miles of protected wildlands and parks. This amazing natural resource spans state, county, and city parks from the Santa Ana Mountains all the way to the Pacific Ocean. It's hard to believe that so much open space and nature are so close to where we live. In these canyons, like Fremont, Black Star, and Limestone, you can hike, bike, ride horses, learn, and explore, surrounded by a landscape full of rare and endangered plants and animals. In fact, there's a golden eagle. Hold on, we're going to take a shortcut through this canyon to get to some interesting rock formations. Rugged terrain. Do you see those really cool rusty red rocks up ahead? Scientists say they are about 30 million years old, first seen by Native Americans, then later by Spanish explorers, settlers, and cowboys as they traveled through this area a long time ago. Now this land is used for recreation,